Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. Y'all, I'm having the best. But this video is long overdue. I'm so sorry. But this is from a good buddy, Old Path. He hits me up on my wish list way more than I ever deserved. So, with that being said, thank you so much, but this is what he got me. I had some silicone molds up on there for some resin stuff, and it all kind of got inspired from Miss Francis, because Miss Francis had sent me some molds for the same kind of stuff, but this was something that I had on my wish list, and so this is what we got. I'm gonna move this out of the way. That's my bag that it came in, of course, but it was a 4-piece set. It's trays for my medical marijuana. It's a tray set, a grinder set, an ashtray, and a little cone deal to when you get to roll it up, make your medicines. Where did it go? Here we go. I have not poured the ashtray yet, but this is the cone part of it, that you put your paper, your pre-rolled cone in there, put your flour in there, pack it all up. All right. This is what the tray itself looked like from the mold. I've done one tray. I still have to finish. I need to go back through because there's an impression right here of the leaf, so your product's gonna fall down in that impression and get hung up, so I need to fill that up flush. But and then a little grinder for the flour that goes with it, and it holds the grinder, holds your papers right there. You can put that up there out the way, then you get all that on there, knock it off in there. It's pretty nifty. But that was one of the things I had on the list, and so there you go. But awesome pieces. I said I haven't done the ashtray yet. We're gonna get there. I've just got so much going on right now. There's a lot going on right now. And then this is the mold for it right here. And it takes about 8 ounces or so to do that. So that was wow. I like that though. And then this here, now granted, it's funny. Everything happens for a reason, right? And I strongly believe that. Old Path ordered me some basswood right here, but he thought it was bigger than what it was, but this is perfect. I will use every bit of it, and y'all will see why I will use it in a video that's coming up probably pretty soon after this one. But we'll leave it at that. But again, Old Path, you think that I can't use it? I can use it. Everything happens for a reason. I got plenty of ideas for this now. But, all right, y'all. I'm gonna leave a link for Old Path in my description. Y'all need to go check his channel out. He goes live every morning pretty much after I do most of the time. We run it, I'll go to about 9 o'clock, and then I shut down so he can jump on right after I do. So y'all go give him a shout, go check him out. Links will be in my description. Y'all, thank you so much. Y'all have an awesome day. Stay awesome, stay laid back, and remember, it's my job to be grumpy. God bless everybody.